Independence Day and I want to make something savory. How about tricolor rice? All the colors, all different flavors. Take a look at this. And now let's jump to the recipe. So let's start. First we're going to make our orange color rice, which is turmeric rice. So in a pan I will add 1 tablespoon of oil and we will let it heat. So our oil is heated and now I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I got it all over the side. We will just mix this around. And to this I will add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped carrots. And now we will cook it for 2 minutes. I am very proud to be an Indian, and because we love spices, I will just add a little bit of red chili powder. So here I have added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I love my spice. Just mix it, get all the flavor into the carrots, and to this I've added 1 cup of cooked rice. Just mix it around and you will get a perfectly orange color. You must be thinking that it's turmeric, it will get a yellow color, but no, because I have added a little bit of carrot, it will give a little bit more color and it will look orange. Trust me guys, I'm not lying. I will switch off the gas, I will keep it aside and let me just transfer it into a bowl. So I have cleaned my pan, and to this let's make a white rice. So our white rice is actually paneer cumin rice, very tasty. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in here. Let's just heat it up a little bit. Here's a tip, if you ever wanna know if your oil is heated or not, just add 2-3 seeds of cumin, and when it starts sizzling you will get to know the oil is heated. So my oil is heated, and to this I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just mix it around. And to this I will add 1/4 cup of chopped paneer. So these are cubed paneer. I've chopped them very small. And now I will just saute it for 2 minutes. Mix it around. And to this I will add a little bit of black pepper as per taste. And salt as per taste. And to this I will add 1 cup of our cooked rice. Just mix it around and it will taste amazing. And now I will just transfer this into a bowl. And now let's make a green rice, also known as coriander rice. So I've cleaned my pan. Into it I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I will let it heat. And to this I've added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/8 cup of chopped capsicum. These are roughly chopped. I don't know how I was putting in cumin seeds, that part got deleted. I don't know how. So yeah, I will just mix it around, cook it for 2 minutes. And here I've added 1 teaspoon of our coriander chutney. The recipe is on my channel. Just search out Rishita's Kitchen dhania ki chutney and you will see it. Here I've added 1 cup of our cooked rice. Just mix it around and you will get a perfect green color. And then I will just transfer it into a bowl. And now let's make our flag. So take a serving dish and divide it into 3 parts mentally, and then add in one section add orange color, in second one add white, and in the third one add green. Very easy. So you must be thinking that to separate it will be pretty hard, but use a rubber spatula it will be pretty easy. As you can see it here, it cleans all of the excess. And our tricolor rice is ready, guys. This recipe is very easy to make and only takes 10 minutes. Anyone can make this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a new video or go live. And smash that like button as well. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And follow me on Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram at Rishita's Kitchen.